Welcome back to the channel. If you're managing a team in QuickBooks Online, one of the most important things you need to know is how to control who can access what. In today's video, I'll walk you step by step through setting user permissions in QuickBooks Online so your business stays secure while keeping everyone productive. Let's jump right in. First, to add a new user, head over to the Settings gear icon, then select Manage Users. Under the Users tab, click Add User. Here you'll enter the person's name and email and then choose what type of access they should have. Now, QuickBooks Online gives you two options: assign a predefined role, or if you're using QuickBooks Online Advanced, you can create a custom role for even more control. Let's start with predefined roles. QuickBooks offers several built-in options like Company Admin, which gives full access to everything, Standard User for everyday tasks like sales and expenses, reports only for users who just need to view reports, and Time Tracking only, perfect for employees who just need to log hours. Before assigning, you can review what each role can and can't do, and then select the one that best fits. But if you have QuickBooks Online Advanced, you get the ability to build custom roles. This is where you can fine-tune permissions. To do this, go back to Manage Users, select Roles, then click Add Role. Give it a name and description and choose which areas you want the user to access, like sales, expenses, or reports. From there, you can check specific permissions such as view, create, edit, or delete. You can even restrict access by location if you only want them to see certain branches or regions. Once you've set it up, just save the role and assign it to the user. What if you need to make changes later? That's easy too. To edit a user's role, just return to Manage Users, find their name, and click Edit. You can update their role instantly. And if it's a custom role you want to tweak, simply go to the Roles section, select the role, and hit Edit to adjust. Permissions. A few important things to keep in mind. Be very cautious when assigning the company admin role, since it grants full access. In QuickBooks Online Advanced, use location restrictions to control visibility of sales data. If a user has payroll access, make sure to remove it before deleting them. And remember, non-billable users don't count against your user limit, which is a great way to give limited access without extra cost. And that's it. With these steps, you can confidently add users, assign the right roles, and keep control over your QuickBooks Online account. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more QuickBooks tips, and drop any questions you have in the comments. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.